Indus Valley civilizations. The Indus Valley civilizations are Harappan civilizations was Bronze Age urban culture 3300 to 1300 BCE in South Asia, rivaling ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia in sophistication and size. It was characterized by well-planned city like Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, advanced drainage and sanitation, standardized bricks and weight, and extensive trade networks. The civilization declined around 1900 BCE with possible causes including climate change, reduced trade, and acidification of rivers like the Ghaggar Hakra. Key features and innovations. Urban planning. The Indus Valley civilization features highly organized city with grid-like streets, advanced sewage systems, and standardized bricks. City like Mohenjo-daro and Harappa were divided into a citadel and lower town. Technology. The civilization was skilled in metallurgy, copper branch lead tin, and developed a system of standardized weight and measures for trade con- and constructions. Trade. The Harappan civilization engaged in widespread trade with evidence of trade with city in the near east. Writing systems. They develop a pictographic script which remains undeciphered to this day. Public health. The focus on sanitation was exceptional with evidence of advanced drainage, bathing facility, and possibly even indoor toilets. Geography and timeline. Locations. The Indus Valley civilizations cover a vast area of present-day Pakistan, northwestern India and northeast Afghanistan. Timeline. Pre-Harappan 7000 to 5500 BCE. Early Harappan 5500 to 2800 BCE. Mature Harappan between 2800 to 1900 BCE. This is the peak of its urban phase. Late Harappan 1900 to 1300 BCE, marked by urban decline. Decline. The precise reason for the decline is debated, but leading theories include climate change, alteration in monsoon pattern, and the drying up of rivers like Ghaggar, Hakra. Environmental factors, resource depletion, and environmental change, civil strife or invasion. The arrival of new group of people such as Indo-Aryans has been suggested as a factor.